Hey guys, so I'm on my way to do some shipping. I'm so excited. I sold so many spices and I can't wait to see what you guys think. Yes, I'm recording the journey because I'm excited about it and it's my first time and I want to have that, like memories of it. So yeah, let's go. Alright you guys, so if you made an order yesterday between the hours of when I dropped it and 12 o'clock last night, your order has been shipped. So you should probably get it in 2 to 3 days, but everything was shipped today. Alright guys, so since my spice is out, now I'm headed to Walmart because I need to get some ingredients so I can do some 1-minute videos on Instagram, so I can do promo in order for me to show you guys exactly how to use the spice to get the best results out of it. So yeah, let's go. My husband is so spoiled. These are the only apples he will eat. Honey Crisp apples. Hey y'all, look how low the strawberries is. I just got some. So if you're in Texas, the strawberries are 97 cents. Alright you guys, so this is what I have, so I'm gonna go over it really quick. Alright, so let's start with the fruits and vegetables and stuff. I bought the strawberries because they were 97 cents. I actually got 2 because I drink smoothies in the mornings. And but I don't have enough kind of space right now. I got some butter lettuce because I have a healthy recipe coming up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you don't have an Instagram, make one and follow me because everything won't be on YouTube. Let's get to the corn. I bought 3 ears of corn. It looked good, so I got it, and it was on sale. The limes, I have 5 limes. They were on sale. I have 1 red onion. As you can see where I'm going with this whole thing right here. If you're smart, you know where I'm going with this. But Cinco de Mayo is coming up too. I got y'all for real. But my red onion right here. I have some cilantro right here. Some thyme. I don't never leave any store without my thyme. I have my Honey Crisp apples. That's the only ones my husband likes. So yeah, that man is so spoiled. It's ridiculous. I have my butter, of course. My cherry tomatoes. Ketchup, juice. I know that juice is not good for me. I know y'all. I know. Now I give my husband sandwiches for work. Sandwich, apple, and something else, and maybe water and orange juice. That's what I give him for work because he gets a good hot meal for dinner every single day. This is the cheese I got today. This time to put on his sandwich. This is just for whatever in the house. And this is the deli meat that I got in the last 2 weeks. This big tub lasts 2 weeks. I'm gonna say 2 weeks. Here I have bacon. I have 1 pack of short rib. I didn't buy a lot of meat, and I bought some boneless skinless chicken thighs because that's going to be a part of the healthy recipe. I didn't buy a lot of meat because I still have meat in my freezer. But yeah, so this is what I got, guys. So yeah. And now I'm tired. I need to go lay down. My microwave just stopped. It's lunchtime. Bye, guys.